Hey, I'm working on a new episode of Curious Jon. It's going to be about interstellar space travel, but to tell the truth, I'm having a complete brain freeze. I'm having trouble coming up with ideas. Okay, so I have another idea. Let's build a model. We can build a model of the little teeny space probe that Stephen Hawking is talking about sending off all the way from the Earth to Alpha Centauri.
Delivery!
Hey Danny, come on in.
Hey.
This is my friend Danny, and he's brought today with him his 3D printer. Let's take it right into the studio.
Okay.
Danny works in special effects for television shows. He does a lot of things in the TV shows that you don't even see, but they make the shows a lot better. But today what he's doing for us here is he's 3D printing a little panel that we're going to use for our interstellar spacecraft. And so Danny, why don't you tell us what you're doing?
We downloaded the model from Thingiverse, and you can see that this is their print, their 3D print, and then you can actually preview the model in the web page, and then we will download this as an STL file. And here it's already been modified, and you can see that I made the bottom flat, and this is the actual 3D model. This is in your hand what it's gonna feel like and the size of it. Okay, here's the SD card. I'm gonna put it in there, fire up the printer, and then find the file.
While we're waiting for our 3D printer to do its job, we're going to the beach. Nothing to do now but relax and wait. And here it is. This is our interstellar spacecraft.
That looks really good. Let's see, take this out. And then just kind of nudge the corners. It's like taking cookies out of the oven.
And here it is painted black. What do you think? I'm going to add some detail to it, and then I'm going to add photon sails so that it looks like what they planned for the real thing. And then I'll hang it up in front of a green screen and shoot it so it looks like it's traveling through interstellar space. But we'll do that next time.